Alright, today I'm going to show you how to replace the air filter, the engine air filter on a 2006 Toyota Tacoma 2.7 liter engine. And the housing for the air filter is here on the left side. And you've got two clips to remove. So what you want to do is lift up on this ring, and that unclips from the top. Pivot it downwards. Same thing here. Just lift up on this ring, flip it backwards, and then you have access there to your filter. So this basically just tilts up, and your filter comes right out. And as you can see, this one's pretty dirty. So I'm going to be replacing this with a STP PSA 10163. It's a premium air filter. And you can see it's a little different. It's supposed to be a better filter than the stock filter, so just get it turned right. So as you can see on the old filter, it had directional arrow for the front of the vehicle. However, on this premium air filter, it does not specify. However, if you look at the dimensions of the two filters, you see that the longer filters go towards the bottom, and it looks identical either way, so I don't believe it makes a difference on this one. So there you have it. You slide the new filter in place and make sure your cover goes in place. So once it's in and secure all the way around, then you pick up on that ring again and lock it down in place. Pick up on this one and lock it down in place. And that's it. There you have it. Hope it saves you some money. If you like this video, please comment and subscribe. Thank you very much for watching.